Hello everyone, this is Alex with the TimeKeeper development team to show you some changes that we've made to the process of adding employees to TimeKeeper in version 0.6.2. Previously, employees were added by supervisors on an as-needed basis. If an employee was being brought on to use TimeKeeper and they weren't in the system already, a supervisor would go fill out a form specifying all their information, and that would create an employee record for them and assign that employee to the supervisor's team. That's no longer the case. We've rebuilt our connection to SAP, and as such, we are now able to automatically synchronize Timekeeper's employee list with the SAP employee list, so that as soon as someone is added to the SAP system, they're also added to the Timekeeper system. Now, the way that you add employees to your team in Timekeeper is by searching for them and claiming them, and I'll show you how to do that here. On the My Team page, there's the plus button in the corner, which used to take you to the Add Employee form. Now, if you click it, it will take you to the Employee Directory search. This page will let you search for all of the employees in Timekeeper by employee number and allow you to pick employees that you want added to your team. So if I type in an employee number here and I run a search, it comes back with all of the employees matching that employee number. And in this case, that's my employee number, so it's only going to match me, and I'm already on my team, so I can't claim myself. But if I type something else in here, let's say 0, it will search for all employees in the system who have a 0 in their employee number, which in this case is almost 9,000 matches. Now I have some options here to load more of these results. I can load 10 more, I can load 50 more, and there's also a button to show all of them, which I don't recommend you press if there's more than a few hundred matches in your search. Otherwise, your browser will become very slow. Okay, so let's do a search for some test users I added. Search for them. And you can see here I got 3 results because I added 3 test users with that employee number. And the first user is already on my team, which you can see if I go to the My Team page. They're right there. The other 2 users, however, are not on my team. They have never been on my team. So there's a green plus button next to their name that allows me to add them. Now, if they had been on my team before and now they're an inactive user, or they used to report to someone in my downstream, but then they moved off to another cost center, for example, they might still show up as on my team, and you can still find them in that case by turning on the inactive employees or my former employees filters on the My Team page. So here I'm going to go ahead and claim these 2 users to my team. Now this one is already active, which means they already have a timesheet, they may already have a supervisor, and clicking this button is just going to add me as an additional supervisor for this user so that I can see them on my team page. So if I go ahead and click that, it just takes a second, and now it says that they're claimed. And now you can see that they're showing up in my list. This other user, however, is inactive. And one change that we've made in this new version is that we don't automatically add timesheets for inactive users. Instead, when they are activated, we will make the current week's timesheet for them. This has an implication, though, in that we need to know what schedule to use to create that timesheet. And if they're inactive, when you click this button, it will bring up a confirm schedule box explaining that this is the current schedule for this user, and if you reactivate them now, that will be the schedule used on their timesheet. And if you're in California, for example, and you need to have a different schedule, if you did this and that wasn't the correct schedule, they would have to submit a schedule change request in order to change it for that week. Now, if you happen to know their schedule, let's say this user doesn't work Monday to Friday 8-hour days anymore, maybe they work Monday to Thursday 10s. You can check this box to use a different schedule and pick from the defined schedules, or check this box to set a custom schedule for them before they are reactivated and a timesheet is created. So if this user works Monday to Thursday 10s, I can just uncheck the custom box, check Monday to Thursday 10s, and then proceed. And now they are claimed and added to my team. If I come over here, you can see them. And if I scroll down here, you can see that their schedule is set to Monday to Thursday 10s, and a timesheet was created for them with that schedule. So this should make it easier for you going forward to add employees to your team, and hopefully allow us to alleviate some troubles that we've had with employee data being incorrect or with employees being added to the system multiple times, and allow us to move forward with some features that we plan to bring with our new revamped connection to SAP. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, suggestions, post them to the Google community and we'll address them as quickly as possible. Beyond that, thanks for watching and have a nice day.